yours.
We're here.
We're here at the first, or our first, my first Yelp Elite Squad event. It is in Riverside, downtown, at the Food Lab. We will go in here and check it out. Hopefully it's cool. If it's a lot of people, cool. If it's no people, cool. We're gonna eat anyway.
Right.
So we're gonna come in here. I got my plus one.
Plus for life.
I got my plus one right here.
For life.
And we're gonna go in there, check it out.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
So special.
What's up, guys? We're here at the Food Lab in Riverside for a Yelp Elite experience. We got a couple of food. We got some chicken sandwiches from Baba's, some beignets from That Creole, some potato croquettes, taquitos, pizzas, agua fresca, and more chicken sandwich. And it should be good. Can't wait to get it in my belly.
Pretty dope, like we really out here. There you go.
It's hard to photobomb, man.
All these is elites. This is good right now. You want to say something in there?
Man, it's great to be a Yelper. You know, we work very hard going to restaurants, hotels, travel. We do this all for you, the people. That's what we do it for. So you guys can be informed of where to go, what vacations, what dietary concerns, what non-dietary concerns you have. We got it all just for you. So have a good one. Stay tuned and keep in touch.
Keep eating.
Keep eating.
Keep eating.
Keep getting chubby.
Food Lab.
The Food Lab, and it's really nice. They just keep giving us food. Just all that.
It's good.
Yeah.
Try it. Try it.
Oh, that's good. Oh,
Green tea.
green tea. Wait, you made it?
Yeah, me too. Too bad. I have witnesses.
Take it. You guys take it. Nice to meet you guys.
Oh, thank you. Nice meeting you guys. Pleasure meeting you. Thank you.
bars. This is our first Yelp event here at the Riverside Food Lab. We have tons of food that everyone has cleaned us out of and can't wait to do it again.
Thank you for coming.